Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, I want to give you an update here on Lilium, ticker LILM, trading here on the Nasdaq, and you can see we had here a massive price drop in the past days. So I will give you here an updated chart and of course the information what caused this kind of sell-off. There is something that I want to show you guys for the people who really have balls. There is still something that you can do here for a quick swing trade, but this is very risky. This is of course guys not financial advice. I give you here just my opinion based on the chart, and of course we will do here an update on the price levels and talk about the price action here for Lilium guys. Yeah, first of all, my video release here for Lilium was when we traded here at 57 cents. Now we're trading here at 14 cents. So I will just make a very quick recap here. What happened since my video release? I said that we have a short squeeze situation for Lilium. So let's check the chart, what happened since I released the video here. So let's press play. 1, 2, 3, go, and there we have this very nice, absolute not nice red candle here to the downside here, sorry, and we're trading of course here at new all-time lows, aren't we guys? No. I want to show you something. So I posted this here on my community here on YouTube guys, and also on Patreon. So if you want to join in here guys, want to become a member, so then you don't miss this information. I already said that we have here an bankruptcy, so they say they will file up for bankruptcy. I honestly didn't check now the SEC filings if we already have that, and that's why I say there is still something like a small chance to make here some money with Lilium. Of course you can just go short, no question about that. When the company will file up for bankruptcy, they will not survive. This is not what I'm saying here. This is not a long-term investment anymore. So, but what we have guys, I want to show you that here really quick, is that we have here a very interesting technical situation. So was this expectable that we dropped down like that guys? Yeah, you would say no, nobody can see that. I will show you something here in the chart that we have something that we could measure, that as we know, the all-time low for Lilium was here waiting at 37 cents. And we had an open gap in the daily chart at 42 cents. That's why I made the video here and I said there is a very good chance that when we come down and close this gap, that we may see something here like a squeeze or even a short squeeze, because we have a lot of open gaps to the upside here where the price could go, and also this trend channel pattern. Don't forget that guys, the algos never change. Even you have something like that, a big sell-off, the algos never change. And what is happening right now, why I say we have here still something like a chance for a squeeze, and that is very risky guys. This is not a financial advice. This is very risky, but it is a small chance if you have some experience in day trading, and if your broker supports pre and after market trading. And please cover up or check if you also if this broker also supports OTC trading. In the absolute worst case here, when a ticker goes bankruptcy, they even maybe don't get delisted, also don't get delisted to the OTC. The stock will just not trading anymore, and that's it, then it's game over. But when we now switch here to the 4 hours chart, and this is now the interesting part of the story here, then we will see guys that there is something waiting here in the chart, because we have an open gap at 10 cents. You can see we have this, I call them the ninja charts here. So this is very interesting. So the algos will try to aim for this open gap here at 10 cents guys. Yeah, this is the open gap which we have, and that means when this gap is closed, the chart to the downside is clear. And that's why even that looks horrible, and this is not a financial advice guys, for unexperienced traders, please don't do this. Yeah, but there is a chance that when we close this open gap here at 10 cents, that we see a massive spike to the upside. And don't wonder if you see here 100, 200, 300 price percent increasing here of the price for Lilium. Why do I think this is still possible? Because I think most of the big investors caught off guard here. So I will of course draw that here for you in the chart, that you see this open gap. Yeah, be very careful with this. As I said, this is quick in, quick out. So if this gap gets filled and the stock starts to rise 100, 200, 300%, I would directly sell off my positions. This is very risky to hold this here longer than a few days, and I would never hold this here over the weekend. This is too risky. But during the week, when this gap gets closed here in the pre and after or the aftermarket guys, this is something which I would do. Yeah, but I am an experienced trader. I know what I do. So as I said, this is not a financial advice. This is very risky. Why I think we could see here a technical reaction. I traded already a lot of tickers which had a bankruptcy filing, and yeah, every time when they file for bankruptcy, that doesn't mean that the ticker cannot have a final squeeze. And why do I think that? Because the main investors here, the pipe investors, I think they caught off guard. So the last biggest squeeze which we had here was this one here. So if you are an investor and if you want to get your money back, so we had this squeeze here, 400%. Maybe the main investors here already sold their positions. That's why we see here also the increasement of the volume, and they are already out. But the investors here, the big investors which are not already out of this play, they want to see their money back, and that's why I think they could make something here like an, let's call it fake pump. Yeah, I don't talk here about price manipulation or whatsoever, but we could see here a technical reaction from the algos. People who don't know this information here maybe FOMO in, or the algos snap in, and that could happen here with Lilium, guys. Yeah, and then of course here 20 cents is one of the price goals. This is just 100%, but as I said, everything here until 60 cents, between 40 and 60 cents was the previous support. So we could see here a massive spike, but I cannot only repeat that, guys. I cannot repeat that often enough. This is not a financial advice. This is very risky, but don't wonder if you see something like this happen here for Lilium. I don't know when they will file up for bankruptcy, when they will do it, and how long they will trade on the Nasdaq. So that is very, very possible that just 1 or 2 days later they are just delisted, guys. It is possible that they are already delisted here on Monday when the pre-market opens. So please make your own due diligence. It is a risky play, but if the stock is still trading and if we come down to 10 cents, yeah, just based on the technicals, there is a small chance that we see here a bounce incoming, because the main investors want to get rid of their positions, and that's what we could see here for Lilium, guys. As I said, high risk. So when you see this video here, guys, already my brand new hot stocks are released. So I release here every Sunday tickers with high squeeze potential, not that risky like Lilium, but I think I owe you here this update because I released a video, and it, yeah, I had quite some views here on this ticker, so you deserve an update here, guys, that you know what is going on and that there is still a chance. But if you also want to see some other short squeeze plays which are not that risky, it's always the same, guys. High risk, high reward, and there is never a guarantee. But I released here my brand new shorts, also hot stock video here just today. Every Sunday I release these videos, and these videos here have tickers with high squeeze potential. This week we had 2 massive squeezes, guys. The first one was this one here, 290% here. One day, Sunday was my video release. One day later, this ticker started to pump 290%. And we, of course, still have here the post-squeeze setup, and the brand new tickers are out right now. And this one was even more violent here. We had an 854% squeeze. Also, one day after my video release, an absolute massive squeeze. And of course, this ticker's still squeezing. So we could still see here a higher squeeze incoming. If you want to see those tickers, guys, you can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. You get access, of course, to all my member videos, to the so-called hot stock videos, and you get here also screenshots from my trading alert. So in addition, I show here tickers with high squeeze potential in a simple screenshot. It's not necessary to watch a video or spend so much time to watch a video. Simple screenshot with the price levels here. If you want to see this content, guys, yeah, you can click here on the info icon. Then you get access to the member link here. Everybody is welcome, guys. Doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader. And as I said, the full package membership here on Patreon is the most popular membership. We have everyday new members. We're growing every day bigger and stronger. So if you want to join in, guys, feel free and click here the info icon in the corner. Yeah, guys, what to say on Lilium? So this is your decision here. Yeah, this is not a financial advice. I show you that one more time. At 10 cents, we have this open gap. And it is possible, guys, that we close this here and then see a massive spike to the upside. I think everything here between the previous all-time low was here in the 40-cent range. I show you that. I can draw for you, of course, a line here. So this is what could happen. Yeah, it has to happen. Nothing very dangerous, could be delisted even when we see the video here. When you see the video on Monday, maybe this ticker is already gone, but there is a small chance that when we come down here to 10 cents in the pre or after market, that we directly see a technical reaction here, and even 37 cents and higher would be possible. You can, of course, copy here the price levels from my chart. Open gap is at 10 cents, and then 37 cents, 60 cents, 72 cents are the price goals to the upside here for Lilium. This is here everything based on TradingView. What you see here, guys, I use that program for all my trades and for all my videos. If you want to understand where the algos waiting, where the algos are waiting and what the price goals for the algos are, I can just recommend that program here. I use that, as I said, for all my videos. You can use my discount link. Also, when you click the info icon, you get access to my discount link. Then you save $15, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Be very careful, guys. It's a risky stock, but that was my update here on Lilium. I think we can say, yeah, sayonara here. Sooner or later, this ticker unfortunately will be gone. It's a very nice German company which tried to do here some drones, but yeah, not enough capital. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for your time. I hope that was helpful. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you like, then see us in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute. Schönen Start in die neue Woche und bis bald. Take care. Bye bye, guys.